In this video, we will show how to manually regenerate the filter system. Press and hold the Set Regen button for several seconds until it beeps and you arrive at this screen, which states Manual Regeneration Delay. If you wish the filter to perform its regeneration at the factory setting of midnight, press the Set Regen button for the word delay to start flashing. Then press the Set Regen button again to make it stop flashing. Now press the menu button to back out. You have now cued the filter system to perform a regeneration at the factory setting of midnight. However, if you wish the filter system to perform its regeneration immediately, press and hold the Set Regen button until you hear it beep and the display screen shows Manual Regen Delay again. You'll now press the Set Regen button to make the word delay flash, followed by either the arrow down or up button to change the word to read immediate. Then press the Set Regen button to lock it in, followed by the menu button to back out. You will now notice that the control valve has initiated an immediate regeneration. The first cycle of the filter is known as backwash. The display screen will flash as shown until the control valve arrives in the backwash position. Once this happens, only the minutes will flash and it'll count down to 0. The control valve will then advance on its own to the next cycle, which is rinse. Again, as the drive motor is moving the piston into position, the screen will flash as shown. Once the control valve arrives in position, only the time will be flashing. Once the filter has completed its rinse cycle, the control valve will advance back to the in-service position. When the display screen shows the current time of day, this will indicate that your filter has completed its regeneration process. The system is now ready to provide treated water.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.